Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel and cscguideofficial.com website. Today I will tell you about China University of Mining and Technology Chinese government scholarship. A lot of students asked about China University of Mining and Technology. Please make a video on China University of Mining and Technology because we don't have any official advertisement about China University of Mining and Technology, and would that's why we not make a video on this. So now we get about the official advertisement, and now let's start. So type CSC Guide official.com or type CSC Guide official in Google and click on the first link. When you click on the first link, you can say you can come on CSC Guide official.com and click on CSC scholarship admissions, and if you want to get the president scholarships, then you can click here. Okay, now our topic is China University of Mining and Technology. A lot of students get acceptance letter from China University of Mining and Technology and now waiting for and applying for this, but they're confused that either they applied on university portal or just only CSC online application portal. So let's start. So authority is Chinese government scholarship. University name is China University of Mining and Technology, and student categories undergraduate, master and PhD students, fully funded scholarship. Monthly allowance is 2,500 RMB for undergraduate, 3,000 RMB for master degree, and 3,500 RMB for PhD candidate. Okay, online apply and then send documents to the university address. Okay, and the deadline is 5th April 2020 is the deadline of China University of Mining and Technology. All international students can apply. Age limits for undergraduate 25, 35, and for PhDs respectively. Okay, you can apply with English proficiency certificate, no need of any IELTS. Okay, how you apply for the scholarship, the main purpose of this game. Okay, the first you fill the CSC online application form. After filling the CSC online application form, upload all required. When you fill the online application form, CSC online application form, you must upload all these requirement documents on all documents on CSC online application portal. No need to apply on university portal, just CSC online application portal is enough. No application fee required. Result will be announced at the end of July, and send documents to the university. Okay, now click here to apply on university online CSC online application portal. And how you fill the form, how you do, if you don't know about CSC online application portal, so click here to watch the video. If you apply for Guangxi government full scholarship for Asian students, you can click here. Okay, now the main point of this story. So required documents list, all these documents in duplicate and send documents to the university address. Okay, first you fill the CSC online application form. Agency number is this. When you fill the CSC application form, automatically form will be generated, form will be downloaded, and you print out the application form, passport photocopy, transcript of highest education, notarized photocopy, highest degree certificate, notarized copy, study plan or research proposal, minimum of 800 words. Applicants for art students submit a CD of their own works. This is for only art students applicants. And physical examination form photocopy, 2 recommendation letters from associate professor or professors, not from assistant professor or lecturer. Okay, now English proficiency certificate is enough, means required. No IELTS required, no non-criminal certificate required means police clearance certificate, because last time they not demand, but this year they clearly mention on their website no criminal certificate record is mandatory for applying. Okay, HSK certificate for Chinese TOEFL program if available, but if you not have HSK certificate, so don't worry about this. If you apply for CSC scholarship, a 1-year Chinese language will be provided by the CSC, and 3,000 RMB, and according to the stipend giving according to the situation, and you don't worry about this. And fully funded 1-year Chinese language is also fully funded when you study your Chinese language. Okay, this is the mailing address in which you send your documents. So send your documents as soon as possible, because 5th of April is the last day to apply. Don't wait. If you have acceptance letter, then apply as soon as possible. Okay, hope so you like this video. If you like this video, then visit our YouTube channel and cscguideofficial.com website, document sample, present scholarship and current scholarship, CSC scholarship results, means how many students accept last year. This is the list: Henan University, Coming University of Science and Technology, and other universities like Wuhan University, and winner list of Chongqing University of Chinese government scholarship. So a lot of universities have mentioned here. So good luck and take care of you. Visit our cscguideofficial.com website. Take care and stay connected with us. Met you in the next video. Allah